about to go on Alpengeist up there. It opened in 1997. It is the tallest B&M Invert in the world. It's the only hopper coaster standing 197 feet tall, reaching speeds of 67 miles per hour. Features technically Cobra Roll count as 2, 0G roll, corkscrew. Technically 6 inversions on Alpengeist. You go upside down 6 times. Cobra Roll count as 2 inversions. So yeah, let's go when we get on Alpengeist. Let's do this. Alright y'all, here we go. We're on Alpengeist. Opened in 1997. Max speed 68 miles per hour. 197 feet tall. It's the only hopper coaster. Go! Well, that's the Evelyn right there. That's the Evelyn. Cobra Roll's right down there, y'all. Let's go! Woo! The Cobra Roll.
Damn, what just
The snaps on the Cobra Roll.
Whoa!
The valleys after the Evelyn. So yeah, someone lost their shoe. I can't even imagine what the back row is gonna be like. Oh my lord. Alright y'all, that was a POV of Alpengeist here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We'll see when we get to our next ride. Oh my gosh. Alright, we just got off of the 1997 B&M Invert Alpengeist. Wow. Whoa. What the... What the horizontal opposite way, straight way, up and down?
That was crazy. I still don't have the words for that.
What the double hockey sticks?
Or in this, double skis.
Let's go double ski sticks.
Ski sticks. Skis. Double skis.
What did you think about it?
Dude, that was incredible. That was definitely a great coaster.
I really
enjoyed
fantastic.
That. Yes.
The snaps on the Cobra Roll. We have to get going, but the snaps on the Cobra Roll. Look, it's just an intensity. That is the top 25 ride, and as far as how it could go, is it gonna go further as of right now? No, but that's absolutely in my top 25. That's 2 top 25 rides. Do I prefer the Pantheon? I'd say No, by a very slim margin. But that may change when we get a back row ride.
Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.